Namaste. Today I am going to show you how we can draw an owl in easy way. So we are going to start. First we starting to draw few lines to draw it easily. So I start with one horizontal line, and then I am going to draw one rectangle. This rectangle can help us to draw owl easily. Now for head, we're going to divide this rectangle in two parts. It is approximately 1/3 part. Head going to be smaller than body, so I make head part small. Then I am going to draw one shape of oval shape, and then I'm going to draw one big oval shape here. From near the, like this, something like this. Now I start with from head. I draw here, something like this. Then I erase this part so we can see. After that, I make this line for showing the face outline. Now I am making, this is only a rough diagram. It helps us to finalize it, and then again I starting outline where going to fit eyes. Thing like that. Now I start from eyes. Then I make two more circle inside eye. Now I'm making nose.
Now I am erasing unnecessary lines. This drawing I make roughly first, then I am going to make it finalize. So draw something like this, and this is going to help us draw nicely. So as you see that how I draw it. Now I am going to start with the black pen I am using. I start to make it finalize.
Now I am going to draw a branch where this owl sitting.